Hi everyone. In this video, I will be using the 9-1RE1 Otvet on the RF Dol Group E. The unique feature of the 9-1RE1 is that it's an anti-submarine missile that can be launched underwater. If I had another Otvet or Sea Lance, I would have put it in this 1X slot. I use the Type 12 due to its quick reload and high velocity. Now let's see its burst damage.
Captain has the con. All hands on deck. Prepare for launch, missile ready. The missile is away. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch.
It's about 145,000 damage. Now let's do ATDM.
After my silver soul, can you take any deeper now?
Right turn, take course 120.
I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. So stronger now.
Starboard turn. Clear one on the three of enemy contact. Missile silo ready for launch receiving coordinates. Torpedo tubes open and ready for engaging. Missile away, 10 seconds to impact. I hear propeller noise, distance 540. The missile is away.
Cashed in on my
Clear
promise.
one on the three of enemy contact.
I'm too
Hear propeller noise, distance 540. Starboard panic on the port side. Torpedoes acquired, distance 330 and closing.
your mess.
Stop the engine.
Myself in my
Torpedoes standing by.
become a
Hear propeller noise, distance 540. Switching torpedoes heading towards us. Bearing 209er. Firing missile at enemy warships. Torpedoes standing by. Firing torpedo bearing 352. The missile is away. I hear propeller noise, distance 540. Torpedo noise bearing 242. Prepare to destroy incoming torpedo.
You know I'm too
Switching torpedoes heading towards us.
generous.
Bearing
Now I've learned to
209er.
never help
I'm
you
on
out.
life support. Thank God.
I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now.
Urgent fluid, get us to the surface.
Stronger now.
Clear one on the three of enemy contact. Take course 160. Full speed ahead.
Thanks for watching this video.